Sanjeev Kumar, MCA from IGNOU, computer teacher, Woodbine Modern School. My mobile number 9031594735. My phone number 062722284292. My email ID sanjeev@risirajtech.co.in. My web page www.rics.ac.in. We discuss about class 8. In class 8, in new session, book Cyber Wins keeps publications. Book have total 10 chapters. Networking का सब, window movie maker, working with MS Access, working with queries, Adobe Photoshop, more on Photoshop, review Python, iterative statements in Python, apps development, image link and frames in HTML. Syllabus for class 8 PT 1 chapter 1 and 2 half yearly examination chapter 1 to 5 PT 2 chapter 6 and 7 annual examination 6 to 10 previous chapter 1 3 and 4. We start lesson first. Computer network. A computer network is a set of computers connected together for purpose of sharing resources. The most common resources shared today is connection to the internet. Type of computer networks: PAN, personal area network, local area network, LAN, metropolitan area network, MAN, wide area network, WAN. Let us discuss. Personal area network is a computer network for interconnecting electronic device centered on an individual person workspace. A PAN provides data transmission among devices such as computers, smartphones, tablets, and personal digital assistants. Local area network. A local area network is a computer network that spans a relatively small area. Most often, a LAN is confined to a single room, building, or group of buildings. However, one LAN can be connected to other LANs over any distance via telephone lines and radio waves. Metropolitan area networks. A metropolitan area networks various Local area networks are connected with each other through telephone lines. MAN networks covers large area by connection lines to a large networks for of computer. Wide area network. Wide area networks provides long distance transmission of data. The size of the WAN is larger than LAN and MAN. A WAN can cover country, continents, or even a whole world. Internet connection is an example of WAN. Now we discuss about what is network, type of networks, LAN, MAN, WAN and PAN. PAN for personal area, personally mobile computer, laptops connected with each other. LAN, local area, short distances for a school, bank and offices. MAN, metropolitan area networks. It provides banking, ATMs, railway tickets and so on. Wide area networks provides telephone connectivity, air connectivity, so on.